Hello everyone, this is Gunashri, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'll be taking up the topic string constructors that will be coming in advanced Java. So what is string constructor? So basically string in Java, it is a sequence of characters that will be represented by the string class. So here these are basically used to create new string objects. So these will be immutable, that is their values cannot be changed once they're created. Moving on to what is an empty constructor. So the empty constructor is an empty string object with no characters that it will be completely defined as empty. So it will be defined as string, my string will be equal to new string. So this constructor will be basically rarely used as it creates an empty string with no content. Next one is the character array. So here the constructor that will take a character array, it will take as an argument, which will create a new string object with a character from the array. So it will be defined as character char array. So where we'll define the set of characters that will be used to represent or that is used to display the output. So string my string is equals to new string of character array. It is the function that will be used or that will be called to execute the instruction. So this is one of the most basic, commonly used constructor that is used to convert character array to string objects. Moving on to the byte array. So these are all the types of string constructors that are present in Java. So here this constructor will take a byte array as an argument and creates a new string object with a character decoded from the byte array. It is defined as byte array, and the numbers will be defined, which has to be printed. And later on, moving to defining the constructor, string my string is equals to new string, byte array will be my constructor that is used. So here, this is majorly used for converting byte array into string array objects. Moving on to the next type of constructor, that is a string literal. So here, it takes as an argument, it will create a new string object with the same object or with the same value as the literal. So it is defined as string, my string will be equal to a new string of hello. So here, hello is the string that I've defined, and this will be converted into a new string object. So this is used to create string objects from hard-coded values. Moving on to the next one, that is a string buffer. So here the constructor will take a string buffer as an argument, and again it will create a new string object. It will be having the same value as string buffer. So it will be defined as string buffer equal to string buffer. So here the major difference is the letters or the alphabets that is used. So the string buffer is the actual string buffer, and whichever there is a new string, which will be referred by small a starting and the consecuting word starting from capital letter. So which will be equal to new string buffer hello, and it will be converted into another string. So it is again used for converting string buffer objects to string objects. Moving on to the next constructor, that is a string builder. So here it takes a string builder as an argument and creates new string object with the same value as the string builder. So it will be defined as string builder. String builder is equals to new string builder hello, and to call the function string my string is equals to new string of string builder is the constructor that will be called to execute the same. So here it is useful for converting string builder objects to string objects. Next one is the offset and length. So here this constructor will take a character array or offset and length as an argument, and it will create a new string object with a subset of characters from the array. It will be defined as character array, specifying the characters that is present within the curly braces, and later on calling whichever the character you have to extract, that is string my string is equals to new string array, character array of 1, 3. So from 1, 3, if the output is taken, the output what will be obtained is ELLO is the output, ELL is the output that will be obtained. So it is again useful for creating substrings from the character array. So string class constructors are defined, or the different constructors are string and string of string character array, string buffer, string builder. So these were all the things which were discussed previously. Moving on to string and offset constructors. So here it will take a string and an offset as an argument and will create a new string object with a subset of characters from the original string. It will be defined as string original string is equals to hello, string my string is equals to new string, original string comma 1. So it will print the first letter of the original string that is present in the string. So again, it is used for creating substrings from existing string objects. So moving on to string, offset and length. So here it takes a string as in constructor, an offset and length, and will create new string objects. And moving on here, I'll define the string. Basically, first we had already defined only the characters that are present. Now we'll be defining the only completely string. So string original string is equals to hello. String my string is equals to new string, original string comma 1 comma 3. So the elements that are present in the string from character sequence 1 to 3 will be printed. So it is used for creating substrings with a specific length from already existing string objects. Moving on to the next string constructor, that is the char set. So here the constructor will take a byte array and a char set as an argument. It will create a new string object with the characters decoded from the byte array using the specified char set. So it will be defined as byte array is equals to the number specified. And to call the function char set for name, UTF or 8. String my string is equals to new string, byte array, comma, char set. So here it is used for decoding the byte arrays with specific character encodings. Next is the code points. So here the constructor that takes in an integer array of Unicode points as an argument creates a new string object with the character corresponding to the code. So it is defined as int code points, specifying the code points, and for calling the function string my function is equals to new string code points of 0, 5, and it will print the code points that are present from 0 to 5. So it is useful for creating string objects from Unicode points. Moving on to string buffer and offset. So here the constructor that takes string buffer and an offset as an argument. So it will create new string objects with a subset of characters from the string buffer. Next thing, how it will be defined as string buffer. String buffer will be equal to new string buffer hello. So to call the function string my string is equals to new string buffer comma 1. So the alphabet or the character that basically the string which is present in the first position will be printed on. So it is useful for creating substrings from string buffer objects. Next one is a string builder offset. So here there are two arguments, that is a string builder and offset that will be taken. So what it is used for is to create new objects from the already existing string. So here string builder is equals to new string builder hello. So string my string is equals to new string builder of 1. So the string builder what majorly does is to extract the characters that is present. So and also extracting the characters along with printing the substring of the character. So it is used for creating substrings from the string builder objects. So next one is the byte, array, and cassette, how they are togetherly used. So there are three arguments, that is the byte, array, and the cassette. So it will create a new string object with the characters that will already be decoded from the byte array using the specified cassette. So it is defined as follows. So basically it is used for decoding byte arrays with some specific character encodings. So moving on to conclusion. So here these string constructors in Java will provide different ways to create string objects from different data types and sources. So here it also manipulates and process strings effectively in Java. So here it is very much important to choose an appropriate constructor based on the data types and sourceware and the requirements of the user in creating string objects in Java. Thank you.